Hi, today we're doing a basic pasta recipe. So for this we'll require 280 grams of 00 flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 3/4 of a teaspoon of table salt, 4 tablespoons of warm water. We're going to be doing it in a KitchenAid and we'll require a dough hook. First thing we'll do is to weigh out our flour and add the salt to it. We'll put this flour into our mixing bowl and we'll make a small well in the middle of it. Then we're going to take our eggs, water and oil and beat them lightly and add them to the centre of that well. We'll put it onto the machine and knead it with the dough hook until it comes away from the edges into a ball. Once we have this, then we're going to knead it by hand on a floured surface. This we do to activate the gluten so that the pasta becomes elastic and smooth, the kind of desired texture that we're looking for. Once we have that desired texture, then we will wrap it up and refrigerate for an hour or two. This is done so that the pasta is slightly more workable. Once we have that done, then we'll place it back onto a floured surface and with a rolling pin just make it thin enough to put through the pasta mill. We'll mill it at the widest setting until we're comfortable that it's not going to shrink back. Worked enough, then we start to reduce the thickness of it through the mill until we have the desired thickness that we require for the pasta that we require. For this tagliatelle, I prefer to take it through onto the number 2 setting.